Are you looking for the best lunch boxes? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best lunch boxes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Overall Lunch Box. The Yeti Day Trip Lunch Box won us over with its durable and easy to clean waterproof material, excellent temperature control, and leak-proof storage. It has a rigid frame that is easy to pack and was one of only 3 lunch bags with a waterproof liner. In testing, it held cool and hot temperatures better than most in our fleet, with only the packet freezable topping the Yeti's performance. We found it easy to pack, and food was protected from getting crushed in transport. The lid has a magnetic closure and a sturdy, large zipper. This bag is made of durable materials and is robust enough to stand on its own when you carry it with one of the 3 handles on the outside. We tested all the limitations and packed it full of food to take on the go. Even though the Yeti is largely leak-proof, we found a bit of leakage at the zipper, which is its weak point. We also noted that the rigid design, which we liked for easy packing, cleaning, and protecting food from getting crushed, made the bag a little bulky compared to the softer designs that can squish down smaller depending on what's inside, thus sliding into packs easier. The Yeti Day Trip is an excellent option for people who want good temperature regulation and need a durable, protective cooler for their lunch. If you want temperature control at a more affordable price, we also like the Packet Freezable Classic. Number 2. Excellent food safe option. The Packet Freezable Classic is insulated with a refreezable gel inside the walls of the bag. The bag is the ice pack. You can pop this in your freezer overnight and have a lunch box that will keep your food cold all day. It kept yogurt at a steady temperature within 2 degrees of the refrigerated temperature for the 6-hour testing period. The fabric and construction of the bag are soft, and the profile is sleek. While the packet is fantastic at keeping a cold and stable temperature and is easy to wipe clean, the zipper and liner of the bag are not leak-proof. When water was placed in the bag, it quickly soaked through the liner and outer fabric. The heavy reusable insulation made the bag slouchy and tricky to pack. The Packet Freezable Lunch Bag is an excellent option for those concerned about food-safe temperatures and who need to keep their food cold all day. Reasons to buy. Best temperature control. Sleek and soft design. Reasons to avoid. Not leak-proof. Slouchy design. Number 3. Great thermos style. The Lil Home Stackable Stainless was leak-proof in our testing and managed warm and hot food well. It has 3 compartments that stack on each other, secured by threads that screw tight. It is built of plastic compartments lined with stainless steel, and when storing hot food, the insulated container is comfortable to touch and hold. We stacked curried lentils, rice, and a yogurt dish in the tiers and carried them around without leaks. It boasts a smart design for people who like to keep portions separate or bring different courses. It slides into an attractive felt case with a long, adjustable strap for carrying. Cleaning was straightforward: wash and let air dry in the dish rack. Though we liked the design and the performance of the Lil Home Stackable set, it is best for warm or room temperature food, and in testing, it didn't keep hot food warm for very long. At 4 hours, the food was just above room temperature. We recommend preheating the thermos compartments with hot water before packing hot food to help the food stay warm longer. The containers are also not microwavable. The stackable design means that condensation from hot food, or food remnants, can attach to the bottom of each dish when you are unstacking them, as they are used as the lid to the container below. Be prepared with napkins. If you don't need an insulated container but still want a stainless container with multiple compartments, check out the to-go-ware 3-tier stainless as a larger capacity alternative. Number 4. Best stainless steel option. The Black & Bloom stainless steel impressed with a completely leak-proof design. The rubber seal on the lid and the vacuum valve on the lid ensure a very tight fit and leak-proof security. The stainless steel divider is designed to fit snugly in the container and move from side to side so that you can adjust the size of the compartments. This model is made of food-safe stainless steel, is super easy to clean, comes with a rubber band to help secure the box, and holds the included fork. We like this sleek and simple design, as it is safe to toss in your backpack for the day. Though we enjoyed the function of the black and bloom, it is not insulated and, therefore, not intended to keep food hot or cold. This box must be refrigerated to keep the contents cold. We also found in testing that the divider in the box can move around slightly and is not sealed so that wet ingredients can leak into the other compartment. It is not meant to contain soup but rather pasta, salad, or other food that won't leak into each other. Because of its small capacity, this box holds just enough for a lunch portion but no extras as a standard contender could. The black and bloom is a good design for people packing daily lunches and who don't ever want to worry about leaks. Number 5. Good stainless steel option. The to-go-ware 3-tier stainless performed well with large capacity with its 3 tiers of food storage in food-safe stainless steel containers. We like that it stores up to 3 separate food items in secure containers and is adjustable. The top container can be carried independently if a smaller profile is needed. In testing, this Tiffin Design's top tier lid had a tight fit and was leak-proof with water in it. We stacked curried lentils, rice, and a yogurt dish in it, just like we did with the Lille stackable set, and experienced no food leaks. This design is as easy to clean as washing a dish. The to-go is not insulated, and when hot food is placed in it, the containers can be too hot to hold. It is a good thing it has a handle on the top to carry it with. We also didn't love that the clasps that hold the tiers together for easy carrying do not detach from the box, so the bottom tier has long metal arms on it while eating out of it. Lastly, the top tier held water with no leaks, but the bottom 2 tiers do not have the same snug fit and leak water, so it's best to have thicker, drier food in those tiers. As with the Lille stackables, the same warning of food on the bottom of the dishes upon unpacking still applies. This is an excellent option for folks who like to pack a variety of servings and flavors and who want a clean, food-safe stainless steel lunch container. If you need an insulated food container, take another look at the Lille Home Stackable Stainless. Number 6. A great lunch bag for the office. The Locus Insulated Lunch Tote is an attractive, large-capacity insulated tote. It held the most food, 8 cans of sparkling water, and a mesh pouch on the side that fit a pint jar with a smoothie. The zipper pouch on the front was also the most spacious additional pocket in the test fleet. The Locus is durable and offers a great carrying capacity. The drawback is that a bigger bag needs more ice packs to keep it cool. It also didn't perform as well in our tests as the competition. It is not the easiest to wipe clean because of its depth, and the liner is not waterproof. Be sure to secure any liquids before storing them for the day. Overall, we feel this model is best for transporting a bunch of food prep to the office refrigerator. Number 7. Another good one for the office. The Bolloré Lunch Tote is an attractive lunch tote lined with food-grade aluminum foil and comes in various colors and patterns. It has a unique shape that is eye-catching and simple. With an ice pack, the Bolloré stayed in the middle of the pack in temperature testing. It is a decent size and fits a 6-pack of sparkling water cans. The Bolloré is an impressive-looking accessory to tote your lunch to work. However, the liner is not leak-proof. Despite the product description claiming otherwise, water leaked right through the liner and the canvas exterior during testing. Those who prefer style over a leak-proof design will find this model a cute tote for carrying their lunch to the office or school. If you don't mind going for a lunchbox-style container, our top-rated Yeti Day Trip lunchbox is worth considering if having a leak-proof container is essential.